Good morning all. Indeed, it is a lovely and a beautiful morning. I'm once again here with a poem by Rabindranath Tagore, New Rain. Here it goes. It dances today, my heart, like a peacock. It dances, it dances. It sports a mosaic of passions, like a peacock's tail. It soars to the sky with the delight. It quests upwardly. It dances today, my heart, like a peacock. It dances. Storms, clouds roll through the sky, wanting their thunder, their thunder. Rice plants bend and sway as the water rushes. Frogs croak. Doves huddle and tremble in their nests. Oh, proudly storm clouds roll through the sky, wanting their thunder. Rain clouds wet my eyes with their blue collyrium. I spread out my joy on the shaded new woodland grass. My soul and Kadamba tree blossom together. Oh, holy! Rain clouds wet my eyes with their blue collyrium. Who wanders high on the palace star? Here unraveled, pulling her cloud blue sari close to her breast, who gambols in the shock, in the flame of lightning. Oh, who is it high on the tower today, with the hair unraveled? Who sits in the reeds by the river, in pure green garments, Her water pot drifts from the bank as she scans the horizons, longing distractedly, chewing fresh jasmine. Oh, who is sitting in the reeds by the river in pure green garments? Who moors her boat where Ketke trees are flowering. She has gathered moss in the loose fold of her sari. Her tearful rain song captures my heart. Oh, who is it moved to the bank where the Ketke trees are flowering? It dances today, my heart, like a peacock. It dances. The woods vibrate with cactus rain soaked leaves. The river rolls nearer and nearer the village. Oh, wildly it dances today. My heart, like a peacock, it dances.